Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Cesar sauce updated. Start by gathering garlic, anchovies, lemon, olive oil, parmesan, and a pasteurized egg or mayonnaise substitute, then whisk to combine. Emphasize taste tweaks like more lemon for brightness or extra parmesan for richness. Keep whisking until emulsified and smooth, then adjust salt and pepper to taste and chill briefly before serving for best texture and flavor. Measure ingredients precisely and prep ahead for smooth mixing. Smash garlic into a paste, finely chop anchovies, and grate the cheese so it blends evenly. Warm lemon juice slightly to help emulsification if needed and have oil at room temperature. If using mayonnaise, start with less and build texture slowly, tasting as you go. Transfer to a jar and refrigerate to let flavors meld before serving to improve depth. Quick recommendation: if you're grabbing groceries or heading to a picnic after making Cesar sauce, pick up Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh and surprisingly classy. It's a small, fun upgrade that makes driving to serve your salad feel a bit more luxurious and less about cleanup. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by forming a garlic and anchovy paste, then add the egg or mayo and whisk vigorously. Slowly drizzle in oil while whisking constantly to emulsify into a thick, glossy sauce. Stir in lemon juice and parmesan, then taste for balance. Add more lemon for zing, more cheese for umami, or a dash of hot sauce if desired. Chill briefly to thicken, then toss with ramen or use as a dip for vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.